Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayong lahat dito? So ang reading natin ngayon sa inyo is, what are the gifts for you from the universe? Ano ang mga ibibigay ni universe sa iyo na gift from them? Okay? So, again, maraming salamat guys sa pagtutok niyo dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. Na-appreciate ko kayong lahat dito sa mga cross watcher. Hello, kaway-kaway naman. And please do subscribe sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. I love you all. And feel free to leave any comments kung nakaresonate kayo dito and sa mga suggestion ninyo for our next reading. Maraming salamat. Okay? Feel free to leave your suggestion kung ano ang next reading natin sa kung para naman maiba. Okay? Kung may mga idea kayo. So, all right. Spirit guide angels, tell me more about our viewers right now. Para malaman natin na ito ay para sa inyo. Okay, Three of Swords. You guys are being in pain. Okay, I'm getting like solitude, offend. Siguro na-offend kayo, nasaktan kayo. Pag nasaktan kayo dito mga kapatid, okay, again, this is your current energy. Ito yung current energy ninyo. Kung hindi ka nakaka-resonate, then hindi ito para sa inyo. Okay, so, you guys are, pag nasaktan kayo, tinatago or nililihim ninyo. No? Madali kayong na-offend. And like say verbally, na-hurt na kayo, pero tinatago nyo lang or nililihim nyo lang yung nararamdaman ninyo. Iba naman sa inyo dito, siguro you are still trying your self-healing, healing from pain. Siguro third party, you might be dealing with a third party, or even sa relationship, siguro until now, you are still in pain kung why it's too hard for you to find a true love. Bakit ang hirap-hirap mahanap yung the one? Napaka-specific. Meron naman dito sa inyo, you are so hard. Sinasaktan mo sarili mo. You are losing confidence. I'm getting like, you guys are losing confidence. Ang baba ng confidence yung sarili. Yung mindset ninyo, you let this cloud, no, to fog your mindset na, to discourage you, para ma-discourage ka. Sinasaktan mo sarili mo. No? You are so hard for yourself. But then again, as a reminder, you are a beautiful being. You are surrounded with people who truly care for you. Na siyang nagkikare sa iyo. Na siyang minamahal ka. Ang totoo kapatid, there's so much people around you na they see you are so beautiful. Marami kang mga admirer. Kaya lang, you are, hindi mo to alam eh. Kasi, dinidiscourage mo sarili mo, imposible naman may gusto si ganito ganyan sa akin. Imposible naman ina-admire ako ni ganito ganyan. Yung ganon. Yeah. Talaga, ang getting like, close off mo sarili mo sa mga positive energy. Mga positibong tao. Huy, ito, may mangligaw sa'yo, gustong-gusto ka niya. Pero sa'yo naman, hindi. Hindi niya ako gusto, hindi niya ako mahal, wala siyang gusto sa akin, hindi ganito ganyan. No. You are so hard to yourself. Dinidiscourage mo sarili mo. You need to stop, kapatid. You need to stop on discouraging yourself. You need to stop on hurting yourself. Okay? I'm getting like yung iba sa inyo dito, you're so tired of believing what's true love. Nakailang karelasyon ka na, pero lagi ka nalang sawi sa pag-ibig. Okay? That's the energy that I'm getting to some of you here. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you are waiting for the possibility of finances. Yeah, you guys are very intuitive. You are following. Siguro, guys, pay attention sa mga intuition ninyo. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag nagkakaroon tayo ng, I'm hearing like activation. Maybe your third eye chakra is open. So pay attention. Maybe you are getting a message from the universe. Siguro ina-activate the universe your intuition, your third eye to get this information. Siguro nakakaroon ka ng idea na mag-business ka, mag-ipon ka, or maybe you are getting the vibe of there will be a money to receive. Matatanggap mo itong perang ito soon. And for that, you have been patiently waiting for this finances to receive, no? Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, um, hard work pays off. Soon, marireceive mo na itong sahod mo or yung hinihintay mong pera. Okay. Yes, yung iba naman sa inyo dito, um, you know, kasi dito, di ba, three of swords, now I'm getting like this, three of pentacles, no, not three of pentacles, but three of cups. So again, you might be being stabbed by friends or coworkers, relatives, family, friends, something like that. Minsan it's like, napapa-question mo sarili mo. Ito na bumabalik tayo sa emosyon, ano? Alam mo itong mga taong ito ay hindi totoo sa'yo. Kaya siguro minsan nakakaroon ka ng trust at nahihirapan ka mag-trust sa mga tao sa paligid mo, magtiwala. Nagkakaroon ka ng trust issue. Yeah. Kaya hindi mo tuloy maintindihan kung ang taong ito ay totoo ba sa'yo. Kaya nga minsan, you'd better choose being alone. Nagiging loner ka minsan dahil kung if you want to hang out with these people around, kung makipag-hangout ka sa mga kaibigan mo o mga katrabaho mo, pag-uusapan ka rin din naman nila. Pagchichismisan ka rin naman nila. Kasi alam mo na these people are talking behind your back. Kung ano-anong pinagkikwento tungkol sa'yo or ikaw ang nagiging topic. Kasi nararamdaman mo. You guys are, nakakaramdam ka ng mga vibe. Your intuition is telling you, hey, mag-ingat-ingat ka. Parang wina-warning ka ng intuition mo na these people, they might be talking positivity, yung mga nakakatawa, okay sila sa'yo, but then deep down, these people talking behind your back. Nararamdaman mo. Kaya nga minsan nakakaroon ka ng trust issues. Let's say, you might hang out, nakikipag-hangout ka sa mga taong ito, inimita ka nila, but then, nakakalikod ka lang, or wala ka lang sa party, ikaw ang naging topic ng mga taong ito. Nararamdaman mo, kapatid. Kaya nga minsan, hindi mo maiwasang magkaroon ng trust issue sa mga taong ito. You'd rather focusing on take good care of yourself, focusing on take good care of your family, yung mga long distance family na nasa malayo, doon ka lang naging focus. Hindi ka na naging focus sa mga taong itong plastic or mga taong who betrayed you kasi ilang beses ka nang na-betrayed, ano? At yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you are doing well when it comes to your finances. Meron itong mas nagiging successful ka pa. You are following your intuition, you are in the right path. And that's good for you. You are receiving this information from your guides na you can do this. And for that, congratulations, kapatid. Because you know what you can do. Alam mo, you believe in yourself. May tiwala ka sa sarili mo. You are believing on what you can do. Na magaling ka when it comes to your finances. Na maraming umaasa sa iyo. That you can take good care of your family. Marami kang sinusuportahang pamilya. And dahil focus ka dyan, kaya mas nag-success ka pa. Minsan yung iba nga sa inyo doon, nagkakaroon pa ng another idea of businesses. Kaya yung money mo nag-i-improve, pagbabago in a positive way. Mas kumikita ka pa ng marami. Mas nagiging matibay pa ang iyong finances. Nagkakaroon ng stability. Naging stable ang financial mo. Congratulations. No? And you don't have to focus on this negativity people. Ito mga tao na, to push you down. Hihilahin ka pababa. Focus ka lang talaga sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, sa trabaho mo, sa finances mo. Instead of mag-focus ka sa pain, sa mga karelasyon, sa mga taong nananakit sa'yo, nagmamarites sa'yo, you don't have to stick in this energy. Tama lang na focus ka sa sarili mo, mahalin mo sarili mo, focus ka sa finances mo, sa pag-ipon, kasi meron kang sinusuportahan. If you want to, kasi meron itong focus ka rin sa planong mag-abroad. I'm also getting like, there's 3 people in your mind. Sino sa kanilang pipiliin mo? Wow, napaka-specific. Kasi siguro, Parang dito nagsasarili ka muna. Iniisip mo mabuti, sino sa kanila ang pipiliin mo? This could be a person or an opportunity of work or finances, related sa finances. Alin dito ang pipiliin ko? Aling bansa, aling trabaho ang pipiliin ko? Alin dito ang bibilihin ko? Something like that. Guys, ito ay collective reading, general reading, hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan ka nakakasunita, no? So, that's the energy so far that we are getting to all my viewers here. Kung saan ka nakaka-resonate, ito ay para sa inyo. Kung hindi naman, then you don't have to continue this reading. Baka itong reading na ito hindi para sa inyo. Sa next reading na lang at baka kayo ay makaka-resonate, no? So, alamin na natin kung ano yung mga gifts ng universe para sa inyo. Alright. Spirit guide angels, ano yung mga gifts ng universe para sa ating mga viewers? What are the gifts? No? Hidden gifts. Ito ay hidden muna, nakatago. Or destined. Okay? Na ma-receive ng ating mga viewers. What are the destined gifts? Okay. Talking, interested, conversing more. Awaited message arrives, text, call, email, hovering. So, I'm getting like an opportunity. You will be receiving this opportunity through social media, email, or somebody is going to reach out. Alamin natin kailan itong mag-reach out. Itong good news na ma-receive mo. No? This is a gift from the universe that you will be receiving soon. Okay, Spirit guide angels, when is this coming? Kailan itong darating itong email, text message, itong call, phone call na ma-receive ng ating viewers? An opportunity. What is this, Spirit guide angels? When? Okay. When is this? Number 8, we have here 8 and you know what? 5 years from now, matagal pa. But then again, this is hidden, nakatago pa ito. Yung iba sa inyo dito. We have here 8, the 8, sometime August, o kasi August ngayon, and this is timeless ha, August or sometime 8 days from now, on that 8 o'clock, or something about related sa 8. Okay, 8 days from now, 8 weeks, or on the 8th, the month of the 8th, September 8, something like that. Or this could be your birthday, no? And but then again, I'm getting like a gift. You will be receiving a gift about your birthday. It's like a birthday gift. This is like a gift from the universe for you to receive this gift. Wow, gift ng universe, may magi-gift pa sa iyo. Wow, this dobleng regalo na no from the universe. You will be happy. This is like an opportunity for you. I'm getting like a business. You know, you will be getting like an offer, a business. Yeah, an opportunity. Okay. I'm also getting like a pen pal, chatmate through social media, or this is like a part of opportunity as a gift. The universe will it's like they will be leading somebody towards you as an opportunity for you. Maybe you are looking forward like we say, gusto kong magkapag-asawa ng afam and I have to choose the right person. And that's good. Tama lang na mamili ka kung sino itong nagsusut, okay? Na mag-fit in sa mga taste mo, sa gusto mo. It's okay. Choose mo yan, kapatid. And the universe will lead that person, the right person for you at the right time. 8 days from now, on the 8 months, 5 years from now, this is the longest. And again, this is hidden, nakatago pa. So again, you don't have to focus on hurting yourself na walang magmamahal sa'yo, na walang trust, walang maging loyal sa'yo. You need to remove that. Tanggalin mo yan, kapatid. Yeah, kasi fino-focus mo sarili mo sa mga painful matter. Again, as a reminder, there's so much opportunity na darating pa sa'yo. So much people. And I'm also getting like, maybe you should try to talk somebody online on social media. Para magawi yung mindset mo in a positive way. Hindi yung focus ka na lang sa mga painful matters. Yung mga taong nananakit sa'yo, when it comes to relationship, wala namang loyal sa'yo, meron namang tama para sa'yo. Siguro, it's just that you are focusing in the wrong person. Nakafocus ka sa maling tao. The universe is trying to tell me to tell you, check online. Open your computer, open your phone. There's so much possibilities that you will be getting. An opportunity, business, someone. If it's about the finances, trabaho, meron dyan mahanap mo online. And it's a gift. This is a gift from the universe. You'll be getting this opportunity through social media, online, an email. Soon you'll be receiving this call. May tatawag sa'yo na magkaka-interesado sa'yo. Tama na yung lungkot. It's enough. Tama na yan. Tanggalin mo na yan. Okay? Huwag ka na mag-focus sa mga ganyang bagay na hindi naman kailangan. You are too hard for yourself. Sinasaktan mo sarili mo na hindi naman kailangan. Okay? What else more, Spirit Guardians? Ano pang gift ng universe for our viewers? Okay. Destined for our viewers dito. Ano pa? Let us know, Spirit Angels, please. Let's get this. Wow, see? A main male. Itong taong ito, okay? Mapera, mayaman. If you're looking forward, kasi meron ditong, karamihan dito is a relationship, This person, a wealthy person, is coming towards you. Offer you love, business, work, na interesado siya sa'yo. You have so much, marami kang you guys are very talented. Magsusuit in sa taong ito yung talent mo. Siguro sa looks, when it comes to love, if you're looking for a lover. Alam mo, itong taong ito, meron ditong admirer, nag-a-admire sa'yo through social media because this person sees your beautiful pictures. Your talent, your looks, ito sa mga damit. Maybe you guys are very, nakukuha ko yung looks ninyo na photogenic. You guys are very photogenic. And this person soon will reveal, magpapakilala siya soon sa iyo. 5 years from now, 8 months, 8 days, or on the 8th, number 1, we have here number 1. Para sa taong ito, you are the only one. Wow. This person is going to offer you a stability. And ito yung gift ni universe para sa iyo. Ang taong hinihintay mo, ang taong hindi mananakit sa iyo, ang taong napaka-loyal para sa iyo, ang taong para sa iyo, destiny mo, ito ay darating. So cheer up, kapatid. Hindi mo na kailangang umiyak, magpapakasasa na masaktan sa mga betrayal. You don't have to focus on that matter. Yeah, so a lover, kasi mix dito, a lover, work, business partner, this person is coming in soon. Okay? So this is destined for you to meet itong taong ito. Yeah. Yan, ng taong ito. Ito ang taong makakatulong sa'yo sa hirap. Okay? Sa business or karelasyon, itong hinihintay mo, itong hinahanap mo na siyang magbibigay ng completeness, satisfaction, darating siya. In 8, or something about related sa 8 or 5 years from now. Okay? So ano pa? Alright, guys. So now, may ginawa ko ditong mga categories kung ano ba itong mga hidden, nakatago pa nga lamang na ibibigay ni universe, gift ni universe para sa inyo. Okay, Spirit Angels, what are the gifts or hidden gifts that the viewers, all the viewers here need to know at this moment? Ano pa? Okay, we have here. You get all the materials you like. Okay? So the universe is like, they're giving you an opportunity as a gift. Isipin niyo muna, guys. Wow, alam mo, parang deja vu na to sa akin, For some reason, parang nagawa ko na to. Parang bumabalik, deja vu. So the universe is giving you an opportunity. Okay? Now you know, whatever you're manifesting, ano bang gusto mo? It's like when it comes to materials. Okay? And yan ay ibibigay ng universe para sa'yo. Mamamanifest mo ito. So, think, what kind of materials you want? A new house, car, damit, Something like that, no? So, ito ay ibibigay ng universe. So, how? Paano ba ibibigay ng universe ang bahay at lupa? Depende. It might take time, 5 years from now, these blessings in disguise, ibibigay to ng universe. Mamamanifest niya to. Or, imamanifest mo muna, and then you will get this from the universe. What you truly, ano ba talaga ang hinihiling mo when it comes to material na bagay? Ito ay bibigay ng universe as a gift for you. No? So, tama na yung mga emosyon natin dyan, na umiiyak ka na, nagtatago sa dilim, sa sakit, enduring all the pain, especially when it comes to this person. The person who's coming into your life soon, ito makakilala mo, this person is a gift from God. Na siya makapag-provide sa iyo when it comes to material. Material na bagay. Another gift from God's looks. Again, as a reminder, some of you here, karamihan sa inyo dito talaga, no, you are hurting yourself. Sinasaktan mo sarili mo, no, na hindi ka maganda, dinadown mo sarili mo na hindi ka matalino, hindi ka magaling, especially when it comes to your look, mataba ka, pangit ka. Guys, cheer up. Stop thinking about that way. Whatever you have, kung ano man yung ganda, physically, yung looks mo ngayon, it's a gift from God. Again, as a reminder, iba-iba ang mindset ng tao. Kailangan talaga makontento ka. Kung ano man yung looks mo ngayon, it's a gift. As a reminder, no? It's a gift. Regalo yan ng universe. Kung ano yung itsura mo ngayon, physically, yan na yan. Yan ang bigay ng universe para sa'yo. Dapat talaga na makontento ka. Alam mo naman ng mga tao ngayon, kahit maganda, nagpapaganda pa rin, nagpaparitoke pa rin, wala naman tayong bitter, ano? But then again, as a reminder, whatever you are, whatever you look, your looks right now, kung ano man yung ganda mo ngayon, physically, dapat matuwa ka dahil this is a gift from God. Dapat talaga may contentment sa mundo ito. Kaya lang ang mga tao ngayon, hindi nakukontento. No? That's why they are so hard to themselves. Sinasaktan nila ng sarili nila, paritoke doon, kaliwat kanan yung ritoke, pagpapaputi. But then again, you are beautiful already. In the eye of God. You have this ability, especially when it comes to ability. The universe is giving you this ability. Kung anong ability meron ka, accept it. Matuwa ka. Okay? I'm getting like, meron ito nagbubulag-bulagan. And yung iba naman sa inyo, alam mo. You have this best business mindset, businesswoman, businessman. Magaling ka sa negosyo, din gamitin mo to. These are the abilities that the universe gave you. Whatever it is, kayo lang nakakaalam. It's a gift from the universe. Gamitin nyo to. Do not let these people to discourage you. Use this ability. Ito ay makapapaahon sa iyo sa hirap. Ito ay magbibigay sa iyo ng success. Itong talent mo. Gamitin mo to. Especially when it comes to social media. Gamitin mo itong ability na binigay ng universe sa iyo. It's within you. Nasa iyo na. Looks, material. If you're looking for this person, especially when it comes to this person, soulmate, itong taong bigay ng stability sa iyo, darating siya. It's a part of gift from the gods for you. Itong taong magbibigay hirap, hirap or sagana, no? Mag-aahon sa iyo sa kahirapan. This person is coming. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you already have this person. Nakilala mo na siya. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Kailangan talaga na makontento tayo. Yun talagang hirap sa mga tao ngayon. Hindi na nakukontento kung anong binigay ng universe ng Panginoon. Nagbubulag-bulagan pa rin tayo. We have to accept and receive and heartedly, buong puso na dapat natin na i-receive or tanggapin itong bigay o mga biyaya ng universe para sa atin. Regalo. Huwag natin pahirapan ng sarili natin. Andyan na yung binigay ni universe para sa atin. Especially when it comes to social media. Use your ability. Gamitin mo yung ability, yung talent mo through social media. Magaling ka dyan. Meron kang, magaling ka sa communication. Sales talk through social media. Work, marami dyan. Again, as a reminder, marami dyan on social media na. Yeah. So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana satisfied kayo sa reading na ito. Pasensya na at medyo maikli lang. At sana this reading gives you enlightenment. Nakapagpapagaan sa iyo ng pakiramdam. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. Bye!